below, below. Wansi wa, wansi wa, oba wansi wano, oba wansi wano. Welcome, and today we are going to look at how to use below. Wansi wa, oba wansi wano. Please note, below means something to be on a lower level of value than something else. Something to be on lower level of value than something else. That is below. Ekintu okubeera ku ddaala lya wansi okukira ekirala. That is Luganda. Ekintu okubeera ku ddaala lya wansi okukira ekirala. So please note, below can have similar meaning like under. And if you didn't look at how to use under, refer to the video above. Below can have similar meaning like under. Below at times is used in writing to refer to something that is explained later. Below at times is used in writing to refer to something that is explained later. Wansi wa oba wansi wano olumu ekozesebwa mu kuwandiika okulaga ekiba kiddako okwogerwako. Wansi wa oba wansi wano olumu ekozesebwa mu kuwandiika okulaga ekiba kiddako okwogerwako. In other words, when referring to some items down the list, you use below, as we're going to see. Okay, examples. Number 1, her skirt reached below her knees. Her skirt reached below her knees. Remember, we said a sentence comprises of subject, verb, and the object. Hope you can identify the subject, the verb, and the object. Okay, so this in Luganda is skirt ye yabadde wansi w'amaviivi ge. Skirt ye yabadde wansi w'amaviivi ge, implying that her skirt was short. Okay, example 2. No one below 18 years is allowed to drink beer. No one below 18 years is allowed to drink beer. This is a phrase which is commonly used in most countries. No one below 18 years is allowed to drink beer. And this in Luganda is tewali ali wansi wa myaka 18 akkirizibwa okunywa omwenge. Tewali ali wansi wa myaka 18 akkirizibwa okunywa omwenge. Okay, let's proceed. So the next example, we are going to look at how to use below when referring to items down the list. As we've said, it is used in writing to refer to items that are going to be explained later. Okay, example 3. Contact the number below. Once again, contact the number below. And they give you the number in the list below. So, contact the number below. And this in Luganda is kuba ku namba eno wansi. Kuba ku namba eno wansi. So the number is always written down the list. So below is used to show what is going to be explained later. Kuba ku namba eno wansi. Okay, the next example. The temperature is below 30 degrees. The temperature is below 30 degrees. And this in Luganda is temperature eri wansi ebitundu 3. Temperature eri wansi ebitundu asatu, implying that has dropped 30 degrees. So temperature eri wansi ebitundu asatu. Okay, that is how you use below. Wansi wano. Okay, let's meet up in the next video.